In addition to logging into ZAC through your user role, you can also log into any ACD or operator call group, which you might belong to. ZAC opens up a role and provides operators and call center agents group functionality that is different from the functions as a normal user. When you log on, if you are part of a group, you will have this role selection option. If you see any groups that are grayed out, like the emergency group, it is a different kind of group that you are always a part of, and you don't have the option to log in and out. But as you can see, I am part of an operator group and a service group. If I want to log into the service group, I click the box and apply. I could apply my choices to all future logins. I can also select a role or change a role once I'm already logged in. In this area, you can view your active agent roles. I'm currently part of the emergency group and the service group. This is also where you can change your roles once you logged into the ZAC application. I go to role selection. I see I'm active in the service group, but not the operator group. Let me log into the operator group and out of the service group. Click Apply. And now when I check my active roles, I can see that I'm in the operator group instead of the service group. The functionality of agent call groups varies greatly. It depends on what type of group you're in and how it's set up. But a general rule of thumb is if it's grayed out, like my emergency group, you're a part of that group and you don't have the options to log in or log out or say you're available or not. Here's the incoming call. I'm going to answer that call. It says operator. So I know by looking at the incoming call information that this is not for my personal extension, but is an operator call. If I expand this to full screen mode, I will see a history of all the calls made to this operator group. If I am in compact mode, I don't see this information. Notice my agent role icon changes from available to not available. When I hang up, it changes to a wrap-up timer. After the wrap-up timer expires, I will go back to being available. A good practice is when you're stepping away from your desk for only a few minutes, you don't have to log out of your group. Highlight the group that you're logging out of temporarily and just click Not Available. Then when you come back to your desk, you would go back into the same group and click Available. And any calls that would be in queue would ring right out to you. If you'll be logging out for a longer period of time, say over lunch or at the end of the day, go to role selection, uncheck the groups, and hit apply. Now I'm logged out of both the service and the operator group. If you are always part of a particular group, you can change this to automatically log in under your settings. Go to the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, Settings, and under Application, find the Login Settings box. Auto Login on application start means when I click the ZAC icon on my desktop, it will log me in to the program. If I click Silent Agent Login, I won't see the box that gives me the option to log in or out of a group. So now I'm going to log out, and when I go to log back in, it bypasses the agent logon and I'm in my ZAC application. And remember, if you need to change those settings once you are logged in, click the agent role icon, role selection, and check the appropriate box, and apply.